Hi guys, welcome back. See, today we're discussing several Leo men, romantic life and good traits, bad traits, love, and next one. See, Leo men are passionate, ambitious, and creative. They work their hardest, but failure isn't an option for them. They would do anything for a family and friend in need. Here is a you everything you need to know about what I'm saying about Leo men. Try to understand her. Leo man personality traits, if you see, uh, you know, they are ruled by sun, are represented by a lion. This is because they are fierce, loyal, and fearless like a lion. Leo can handle anything life throws at them. They are adventurous, spontaneous, risk takers. Sometimes they can get them into trouble. They are smart enough to solve whatever problems they have. When they are down, they always pick themselves up again. Leo women are dramatic, they're excellent storytellers because are artistic. A lot of Leo women make a living by singing, dancing, acting, or writing after all. They work best when they are their own boss. They don't like taking orders from anyone else. Leos butt heads with authority. They want to be the ones in charge. They are an alpha, which means they aren't going to listen to rules. We see the bad traits in them. They are stubborn and inflexible. They assume they are always right because they have such high confidence. Unfortunately, this means they get into their fair share of arguments. They never want to compromise with friends, partners, or bosses. After all, they assume they know best. They don't think anyone else in the room is smarter than them. So they never back down. So, can you understand how is she? And Leo women are selfish and self-centered. They act like they are the center of the universe. Leos are attention hogs, so they cannot stand with someone else is in the spotlight. They want to be the other one who gets drowned in compliments and praise. Their pride jealously causes them to be extra competitive. They have never back down from a challenge, but they hate losing. Leo men good traits. Leo men are hard work and ambitious. When they are set their mind to something, never quit. No matter how many obstacles get in their way, they will keep moving forward. Leos don't like to give up. It makes them feel like a failure. That's why they will stay persistent and continue chasing after their goals. Even it would make more sense to change paths. Leo men are strong and fearless. They are natural born leaders who are great at taking control and in group situations. Not only are Leos intelligent, but they are supportive. They will encourage the people around them. Leo are great motivation speakers because they are optimistic. They assume everything is going to work out okay. Leos never let their fears stop them from pursuing their dreams. Whatever they love, if you are going to see, they have extremely high expectation from their partners. They want constant attention because a second chance isn't an option to in their mind. If their partners goes a day without saying those three little words, then they are going to get restless. You know the three little words. They will feel neglected if their partners pays more attention to anyone. So concentrate on her or anything other than them. Their jealous and possessiveness can cause a lot of issues. Leo men need attentive romantic partners. However, they are attentive and romantic too. Once a Leo finds someone who fits them well, they are going to stay loyal. A Leo man would never betray their partner. In fact, they are fiercely protective of their loved ones. They will defend them from anyone who tries to cause harm. Overall, Leo women make amazing girlfriends. What about their romantic life? The three words instead of the romantic, even drag them, keep that place. Do you understand? Yeah, the Leo women are spontaneous and adventurous. They like they if they get bored when they are stuck in a routine. That's why you need to keep them on their toys. Leos love to try new things inside and outside the bedroom. Vanilla sex isn't good enough for them. They want to experiment with their partners, so their relationship never starts to feel stale. It's what keeps the romantic romance alive. Overall, humans love that's they don't need to sleep with their soulmate in order to feel fulfilled. They're perfectly happy with flings and no one night stands. As long as the encounters is fun, they aren't going to regret it. After all, a Leo man's main goal is to enjoy her life. She isn't going to take a romantic three words that too seriously. A physical connection is enough. An emotional connection is simply a bonus. An connection is simply bonus. So understand. So how dating with Leo man? If you want to date a Leo man, you need to set aside a plenty of time for her. She's going to get angry if you ignore her. So careful. If she feels neglected, it will spark a fight. Of course, there are bound to be arguments when you are dating a Leo man. She isn't going to admit when she's wrong, compromise or apologize. This is one of the most stubborn signs in the zodiac. So you need to prepare it. Leo men are have high standards, so they will only settle down with someone special. However, once they are in a relationship, they won't want to end it. Even if they are unhappy, dumping someone feels like a failure to them. They don't want to give up on someone they decide to trust. They will put effort into fix their relationship to avoid calling it quits. This can cause them to end up in toxic situations. How trust it will be a Leo with a Leo man. Leo men are huge flirts. They aren't going to be satisfied with attention from their partner. They want the rest of the world to pay to attention to them too. However, this doesn't mean they would cheat. Leos are extremely loyal, although they will joke around with others, they would never cross a line. Leos means when they say they love you you aren't going to hurt you. However, Leo men are hypocrites. If their partner flirts with someone else, they are going to bow a fit. They never want to feel like they're a backup option or a second choice. Leo want to feel sexy at the all time. Although they appear confident on outside, they are secretly insecure. Leo men can't stand it when their partners pay attention to someone else. Or keep in mind, understanding Leo men. Yes, the women aren't shy about voicing their opinion. You won't have to wonder what they are thinking. If you are curious about their opinion, all you have to do is ask. They aren't liars and they won't beat around the bush. Even if their words are hurtful, they are still going to say them out loud. They are blunt. So what you see and what you get. What you see and what you get. So the most important thing to understand about this zodiac sign is hair. Desire for the spotlight. A Leo man wants to be treated like a queen. Anything else isn't good enough for her. Her stands are high because she has faith the right person is out there somewhere. She doesn't want to end up with the wrong person, so she will stay single for as long as she needs. After all, she is independent. She can take care of herself. And likes and dislikes. Leo men likes parties, especially when it's being thrown from them. They want to be a center of attention at all times. This is why they also enjoy the theater. They want to stand on stage and have anyone's eyes on them. They love it. Leos were built to perform. Even when they are hanging out with friends, their stories are hilarious. They know exactly what to say to keep everyone interest. Leo men cannot stand any type of disrespect. They know their worth, so they won't tolerate poor treatment. They will be offended if someone wastes their time, lies to them, or cheats on them. A Leo woman is so aggressive and persuasive, so you don't want to get on their bad side. They won't let you within the argument. They will make you look foolish in front of a crowd. And Leo woman behavior, if you see whether They are a male or female. Leos are devoted, caring friends, although they come across as intimidating. They are sweethearts once you get to know them. They would do anything to protect their family and friends. Plus, they are huge cheerleaders whenever someone is feeling low, a Leo woman will cheer them up. Leo can make anyone laugh. They have a great sense of humor. And Leo men will have a huge egos, but their heart is always in the right place. And they are try to help anyone who needs them. When they notice someone is wrong, they correct them in order to educate them. Leos are scary if you make an enemy out of them, but they are trustworthy and warm once you become friends with them. Overall, a Leo woman is a great friend or boss too, and a great leader also. So be prepared to if everyone touching to her and entering in her life. Thank you. Subscribe me. Thank you so much.